Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report an email address. Let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Gmail app. Once you're in your Gmail app, you will get to see all the emails that you have received right here. So what you need to do is tap and hold on the one that you want to report. And then you will see this email is selected. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And from here, you will see an option that says Report Spam. Tap on it, and you will get to see a notification on the bottom that says one reported as spam. Also, you can open up the email that you want to report, and then tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And the same way, you need to tap on Report Spam. And as you can see, the mail has been reported as spam. Now, to check out the spam emails, tap on Menu on the top left corner. Now, if you scroll down, you will see an option that says Spam. Tap on it. And here, you will get to see all the spam emails. You will also notice the ones that you just reported as spam. So this way, you can report as many emails as you want. And that is how you can report an email address. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.